And that's why I believe that my conviction is in the capacities and capabilities of our students. I am truly convinced that this nation has a lot to offer. And certainly, we always say that youngsters are our asset. But मैं कहता यही हूँ कि हम उसमें इस सरमाए में इजाफा सिर्फ आबादी में इजाफे के जरिए ही कर रहे हैं. We have to invest a lot in our youngsters, and that's what we are supposed to do. If we are having the ministries, if we are enjoying the government, then we have to deliver. We have to deliver to this great nation because it deserves. Unfortunately, things have not been very good, but things will be very good. This has to be our conviction, and I am convinced. सखार आरिफ साहब ने कहा है कि आसमानों पे नजर कर अंजुमो महताब देख, सुबह की बुनियाद रखनी है तो पहले ख्वाब देख. ख्वाब देखा जाना बहुत ज़रूरी था. एंड आई बिलीव दैट ऑल दीज इवेंट्स, all these shows, exhibitions, whatever action has been taken by students in this great country from Karachi to Kashmir, I believe that government, the private sector, the corporate sector, the learning people who have achieved something, we all have to support our students and our younger generation. And that's why I'm here. Although I had nothing to do with the engineering, I was just telling Honorable Sir that मैंने बस intermediate pre-engineering की, and that was my entire exposure with the engineering. Although I'm very tax savvy and I'm heading my party's communication, it means that I have a lot to do with the technology, with the telecommunications, with the information and communication technologies. And yes, Gears of War sounds very, very familiar, as I am into console gaming, let me confess. But still, I was wondering that what would I do in an engineering exhibition. But I'm really overwhelmed. The kind of presence you have and the kind of presentation you people did to me when you invited me and this very morning, I'm convinced that बड़े बासलाहियत students यहाँ हैं. And let me admire Pakistan Air Force's role, क्योंकि हमारी आर्म फोर्सेस जो कर रही हैं इस मुल्क के लिए और जो करती रही हैं on the borders and the jobs they have been assigned to, they have been wonderful, top notch. But in educational institutions, the kind of investment they are making, certainly बहुत शुक्रगुजार है ये मुल्क अपनी अफवाज का भी कि आप यहाँ पर भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. And kindly convey my regards to all the people and helm of affairs in Air Force as well. क्योंकि हम भी तमाम बच्चों की तरीके से अपने ज़माने में हम भी पायलट बनना चाहते थे, लेकिन बन ना सके. और ये शर्मिंदगी की नौकरी सही के सियासत की करते हैं. बट स्टिल एज अ होल आई बिलीव दैट it has to be and it will be a consolidated effort, a synchronized effort. इस मुल्क को बनाया भी एक synchronized effort से गया था, and I believe कि इसे हम आगे भी एक synchronized और consolidated effort से ले जाएंगे, जहाँ तमाम इदारे अपना assigned काम कर रहे हों, जहाँ majority रूल कर रही हो, जहाँ जो मेजॉरिटी जो कि अक्सरियत है इस मुल्क की, हाँ वो किसी भी तबका हायर स्टेटस से आती हो, वो यहाँ पर काम करे. दैट वाज द ड्रीम ऑफ आवर फाउंडिंग फादर्स, दैट वाज द प्रॉमिस दे मेड टू दिस वेरी डायनामिक नेशन. और इसी ख्वाब की ताबीर हम सबको मिलकर करनी है. I'm really glad, I'm thankful to the student body that you have given me an opportunity to address to this wonderful crowd. And मेरे ख्याल में आप अच्छे काम की बिस्मिल्लाह कीजिए, इब्तिदा कीजिए. And I hope the kind of project you are going to show us and all the attendees, आप जब अपनी practical life में जाएंगे तो इंशाल्लाह ताला इससे भी ज़्यादा बेहतर प्रोजेक्ट्स आप लेकर आएंगे. And that's why all these corporate giants are supporting you, because all of us have a firm belief in your capabilities. Thank you very much.